In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Photos account. First, an important clarification. There isn't a separate Google Photos account to delete. Google Photos is part of your overall Google account, the same one you use for Gmail, Drive, and YouTube. That means there's no single Delete Photos account button. Instead, you have two practical paths depending on what you want to accomplish. If your goal is to wipe everything, including photos, you'll need to delete your entire Google account. This is the only way to fully remove Google Photos at the account level. To do that, go to myaccount.google.com and sign in. Open Data and Privacy, then scroll down to the section called More Options. Choose Delete your Google account and follow the prompts to confirm. You may be asked to verify your password or complete security checks before final deletion. Keep in mind, this permanently deletes your Gmail, Google Drive files, YouTube data, and other connected Google services. If there's anything you might need later, consider backing it up before you proceed, because this action can't be undone. If you want to keep your Google account but remove your photos and videos from Google Photos, you can delete only your photos data. Head to photos.google.com and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Select the items you want to remove. On a computer, you can press Ctrl+A to select everything in the current view. Click the delete icon, which looks like a trash can, and confirm to move your selections to the trash. Next, open the trash in the left sidebar and choose Empty Trash to permanently remove those items right away. If you don't empty it, deleted photos and videos will remain in trash for 60 days and then be permanently removed automatically. Deleting from Google Photos removes the cloud copies and may affect any device that's actively syncing with the same account, while files that were never synced might still exist locally. For very large libraries, the deletion process can take some time, and your available storage may update with a slight delay. To recap, because Google Photos is tied to your Google account, you can either delete the entire account to fully remove photos, or keep your account and delete just your photos data by clearing your library and emptying the trash. Choose the option that fits your needs, proceed carefully, and double-check you're working in the right account before confirming any deletions.